In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages within a page in your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to organize content into dropdowns or create a more streamlined navigation experience, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. First, we want to begin by accessing your Squarespace website editor. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Pages option from the main menu on the left side of your dashboard. This is your primary workspace where you can add, edit, and organize the layout of your website. Next, direct your attention to the area where your site's pages are listed. You'll see a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new pages. Go ahead and click on this plus button to initiate the creation of a new page. What you'll notice now is a menu of options for different types of pages you can add. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a drop-down menu which allows for more organized and hierarchical page structures. After clicking the plus button, you'll need to select the Folder option from the list. This is a crucial step as it allows you to create a drop-down in your site's navigation. Think of folders as containers that can hold multiple pages, making your site look cleaner and your content easier to find. Once you've selected the Folder option, it's time to get creative and define what this folder will be. In the field provided, type in the name of your folder. Choose a name that's descriptive of the content or category of pages that will reside under it. Something clear and intuitive, both for you and your site's visitors. With your folder named, the next step is to add pages within this new dropdown. Simply click on Add Page, and you'll see another set of options to choose a page type. This time, choose the Blank Page option, which will provide you with a fresh canvas for your content. At this point, you can repeat the process of naming the page. It's the same straightforward step as before. Just type in your desired page name in the provided field. This name should align with the content that will be featured on this page. If you're later building out additional pages under the same folder, follow the same steps, choosing descriptive names to keep everything organized. And that's it! You've successfully added pages within a page on your Squarespace website. You can preview the changes to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. This method not only declutters your site's navigation, but also enhances user experience by neatly categorizing information. Feel free to experiment and customize further to make your website truly unique. Thank you for watching and happy website building.